I have been saving for because of this year. I want to fix all of this. Fix She said warm if there's still lights. She said my budget for I am so happy, so very happy. Good news, guys. Guess what? We are a Gadget Plus. We finally got this LED 800 Pro. I want to be able to make content without having to wait for NEPA for 365 days. With the way things are going, today there is light, next tomorrow there is no light. I don't want anything that is going to be causing me chaos and giving me stress. So I had to get this particular LED 800 Pro because it has battery. At least if I charge it, I can use it without NEPA and all of that. And honestly, I have been saving for a while to get this. Like it took the longest time to get this particular light, but I'm still happy and I'm happy I finally got it too. So let's unbox. Okay, let's see what we have here. How did it take open? Hey, is my baby. Oh my god. You know what I'm saying, but still. So it came with 2 battery. So if you charge this particular battery without NEPA light, you just fix it. Okay, this is the light itself. This is the light. So let's see. Oh, you see? I'm so in love. I so love this. Like, I so much love it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so excited about this. So this is the light itself. So this is the battery charger. In case you want to charge the battery or maybe the battery is low, you can use this particular stuff to charge it. And this is the battery. It has 2 space for battery, so you have to charge the 2 of them. But what I don't know is if you can be using the battery one at a time or the 2 of them must be plugged before whatever. So this is the 2 battery that it came with. 2 battery. I hope it's strong. This is for the tripod stand, and here is the tripod. So this is for the tripod. I'm still going to fix all of this. This is for this tripod stand. You fix this particular stuff here, then you can now put the light here. Finally, this is the cable. If you want to charge it, if you want to use it directly with the NEPA, like if you have light and you want to plug it direct to, like, once there's light, you can just easily just do the same thing here. So this is it. They call it adapter. This is adapter. Just do a quick test run. Let me set everything. Let's see what it looks like, the difference. This is the tripod. This is the light holder. Is there? The light has three different colors: the white one, the warm, and the yellow color. I feel like the light it's not even the studio vibes, but still It still gets the work done. It still gets the job done. That's the most important thing. At least this one, it's very nice. I love it. I love it. One of the things I love about this particular light is the fact that I don't need NEPA 247 to be able to use the light. If I just charge the battery, I'm good to go. And if there's still lights, that's my luck. So I want something that can be able to use with or without NEPA lights. And if you're probably going for an outdoor shoot, all you just have to do is charge the batteries and you're good to go. You don't need to be looking for where to plug for you to be able to use the lights and all that drama. So this is actually perfect. Not the soft box and all of that, but it still has its own effect. So it is manageable. It is workable. You can manage it for the moment. And before you ask, I got the light for 65,000 naira. At least it was not a horrible buy. I love it. There is light in the house and you want to use it. This is the direct cable that you can just plug to the socket and you can use it. So this one goes here. Then this particular one, you just plug it to any sockets. Close. This is it. Now we have a LED lights for shooting of content. Hey, you people did not tell me. Jesus Christ. I went to the market yesterday to get some makeup products. And guess what? My budget for the whole thing that I wanted to get was 20 to 25,000 naira. The money could not even get half of the things on my list. Like, I will definitely put the list of the things that I wrote down need to get from the market. But this is the only thing that 25,000 naira could get for me. This is the only thing that 25,000 naira could get for me. Like the things I needed. But that is not even what I did not even get. God. Like, and at the end of the day, someone will come and price me makeup for 5,000 naira. Makeup shoots 5,000 naira, and so so let's check everything that I have here. This is everything that I got. I got this edge control for 3,000 naira for my brows and my hair. This is 3,000 naira. I got this pair of eyelashes. I wanted to get set of lashes, but the girl said it was, I think she said 6,000 naira or so. The price that I was just hearing was not funny, so I just had to get just one pair of lashes. At least I'll be working with this for now. I really needed this particular mirror. This mirror, I needed it, so I bought this one for 2,500 naira. Powder. This was the powder that I was using before. This one. Yeah, it's the same thing. I wanted to get a bigger set of powder palette, the one that has more dark shades. But the powder palette that I saw that I was really that really caught my attention. It was like a love at first sight. The girl said that the price for it is 25,000 naira. Last price was 23,000 naira. That is like total of my budget for the day for a particular powder palette. My dear, I have to go back to my 6,000 naira and buy this one for now. Then I'll just save up for that particular one because that powder is really really nice. Like, it's everything. Beauty. That product is nice. Just that the cost is not here. Ah God, I'm sweating. No light. The heat there. The heat is too much. So I got this particular powder for 6,000 naira. And my baby, my mascara for my lashes. I don't have my lashes. What do they call this again? My eyelashes are not really nice. It's not a good one. It's just rubbish. So I bought this particular mascara for it. Okay, the last time I bought this mascara, I think I bought it for 1,200, but I went back, I heard it's 2,000 naira. This particular mascara, 2,000 naira. I got this eyeliner I just hope this eyeliner is good. I'm not really good with eyeliners because at the end of the day, if you not just go the line where it's supposed to line. I got this particular one for 2,000 naira. I got this lip liner 115 each, so I got the two of them, the dark brown, and I don't know the color of this particular one. This one is lip 13, this one is lip 3. 115, that is 3,000 naira for the both of them. And a brown and black, a brown and black eye pencil for the brows. I wanted to get this brow filler. I wanted to get brow filler, but she said the brow filler is 4,000 naira. So I bought this one for 500. So the two of them is 1,000 naira. Lipstick is now good. I bought this one 115. So I bought the two of them 3,000 naira. I also bought this Huda Beauty lipstick 115, 3,000 naira. And I bought this lip gloss. I've already forgotten how much this girl sold this particular lip gloss for me. I think she sold it for 1,000 naira, maybe 15. Yeah, 1,000 or 15 or so. So this is my 25,000 naira without thank you for coming. 25,000 naira. Hey, God. And this is half of my list. I did not even get the complete colors of lipstick I wanted to get because of the prices. Hey, I had to like cut and join, leave this one to get this one, leave this one to get this one, for me to be able to even get to this place. Come on, regardless, we move.